Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Student, our today's topic is oral sheet. We will discuss about our oral sheet. We have already provided you oral sheet. You have to memorize these oral questions and answers. Let us see today's topic. Our today's topic is oral sheet. This is part 1 and this is lecture number 24 and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 21 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. You can see here is 10 questions and answer, and in your annual term exam you have total 30 questions and answers. You have to memorize this oral sheet. Our first question is, what is pericardium? The answer is, heart is covered with two-layered thin membranes called pericardium. I am repeating this answer. Heart is covered with two-layered thin membranes called pericardium. 2 number question is, what is digestion? Answer is, the process by which the solid and complex food materials are converted into simple and absorbable form with the help of digestive juices is called digestion. I am repeating this answer. The process by which the solid and complex food materials are converted into simple and absorbable form with the help of digestive juices is called digestion. 3 number question is, what is sound? The answer is, sound is a kind of energy for which we can hear. Sound is a kind of energy for which we can hear. 4 number question is, what kind of sound wave is? Answer is, sound wave is longitudinal wave. Answer is, sound wave is longitudinal wave. 5 number question is, what is called magnetic substance? The answer is, substances those are attracted by magnet are called magnetic substance. I am repeating this answer. Substances those are attracted by magnet are called magnetic substance. 6 number, what is called static electricity? The answer is, static electricity is an electrical charge often created by friction consisting of stationary ions that do not move in a current. 7 number is, what is called current electricity? The answer is, the electricity which flows through a body continuously and in a definite direction is called current electricity. Now 8 number. 8 number is, where is the highest attraction of magnet? The answer is, the attraction of magnet is highest near 2 poles. 9 number, what are moves round the nucleus? The answer is, electron moves round the nucleus. 10 number, what is rust? The answer is, a reddish or yellowish brown flaking coating of iron dioxide that is formed on iron by oxidation, especially in the presence of moisture, is called rust. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 21 number SW. This is 21 number SW and your SW will be oral. And from 1 number to 5. Your SW will be oral questions and answers from 1 number to 5 number. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.